Welcome to Geese 4x4, the most budget-oriented off-road channel in all the YouTubes. And today we are going to do a quick review and install of a Nightlight LED light bar. This is their 15-inch bar, I believe. And I've been wanting to put a bigger bar on the front of the Excursion. It has a 12 on it right now. And these just popped up. They're $40 for this bar. And yeah, so let's show you what's in the box and give you my initial impressions, and then we'll put it on and test it against the old one. So here's what we got in the box. Good looking bar. Nice cover on the front. All these new style LEDs. It's got these pods over here, and it's got all the other deals in the center. The noise you're hearing is the nuts are already installed for the mounts. This is a mount under, and if you are going to be putting this in the front grille of your Excursion, like I am, you are going to want the light bar that mounts underneath versus on the side, because you can fit a bigger bar because there's bars on either side. So all the hardware is included, and light bar looks good. So let me pop the grill off the Excursion and show you guys how we're gonna put it in. So it has these little clips on it, and of course I broke them off. I've already broken the center ones off, and I'm gonna work on figuring out how to make those more doable. I feel like they need to be flipped upside down so that they're actually removable. So they actually just will jam back on, and they're almost like they're made to come out like that. So anyway, I don't know, again, feels like they should be the other way to be able to get them off. I thought I broke the ones on the inside last time, and I guess I threw the things away. Don't throw them away. All right, so here has been my setup for quite some time. I ended up putting a bar across, a steel bar, between these two. And this is a 12-inch light bar, and you've got these two posts. So anyway, we are going to figure out what I did here. Probably unbolt this bar, bolt a new one to it, wire the new one up, and show you guys what we get. So here is the 12-inch bar sitting next to the 15-inch bar. Not that much of a difference. Definitely a big difference in design though. As you can see, these are like floods and these are like spots, and then these are the big floods there, and these are the big spots on the other one. So obviously this has been on here 5 years at least. So it's seen a lot of weather, and that guy's brand new. So here's my bar that I made that goes across, and yeah, just slowly putting this thing back together. And there is our 15-inch install. So right back on that bracket, wired it in, and let's drop the hood, and we'll show you guys what it looks like here in the dark. I don't know if this will be the greatest test, but I'm just going to flip on the old light bar and two lights. This will be the same test. The other one will be a new light bar and two lights in the garage here. So there's what we have. You guys can kind of see the light bar pattern in the center and the two other ones on the side. All right, well, there is our difference. You can see actually the bar going across. It's kind of interesting. I'm curious to see what this is like. You can still see the little pod just barely, but man, that bar really combines all these lights really well. So it'll be interesting to see at night, but that is what it looks like here in the garage. Well, there we have it. Link is going to be in the description for this 15-inch Nightlight light bar. If you buy through that link, I get a little bit of commission, so pretty awesome. Always great to be able to put the truck back together and look at it and go, I can't tell what I did. That's the best kind of mod in my book. I love the sleeper effect. So anyway, great little light bar. I'll let you guys know how it is at night. Been driving in the dark a lot recently, and the time change and all that stuff. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. We will see you guys next time.